In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best deals on Wayfair, including price drops, open box specials, and coupon savings. If you love finding great bargains while shopping online, then stick around as I'll guide you through this easy process. First up, you'll want to navigate to Wayfair's dedicated deals page. To do this, simply open your web browser and head over to wayfair.com/deals. This page is the hub for all ongoing discounts and promotions across the site, making it a great starting point for any savvy shopper. Once you're there, you'll see a plethora of options vying for your attention. Scroll through the categories until you find one labeled up to 70% off. Clicking here will not only show you items marked down by significant percentages, but also give you access to some of the best rates available. Keep your eye out for pieces you've been eyeing or items that fit your current needs. Creating an account on Wayfair is a strategic move. It allows you to curate a wish list of products. This is a handy feature because when you add items to your wish list, you'll receive email notifications whenever there's a price drop. It's like having a digital shopping assistant keeping track of potential savings for you. By signing up for Wayfair's marketing emails or text alerts, you'll ensure that you don't miss out on exclusive coupons. Wayfair often sends out codes offering discounts ranging from 10% all the way up to 80%, so this step could potentially save you a considerable amount. It's also smart to download the Wayfair app. Why, you ask? Well, during significant sales events, exclusive app-only deals frequently pop up, so keeping the app on your phone is a simple yet effective way to ensure you're not missing out on these extras. Keep an eye on the calendar for major seasonal events such as Way Day, Black Friday, or Cyber Monday. These times offer site-wide savings and are opportune moments to snatch up deals on big-ticket items you've had your eye on. Finally, a pro tip for maximizing your savings. Consider installing browser extensions like Honey or Rakuten. These handy tools automatically apply available coupons at checkout and can even provide cashback on your purchases. It's an effortless way to stack more savings on top of the deals you've already found. Remember, a little bit of strategy and attention can lead to spectacular deals on Wayfair. Happy shopping, and may your next purchase be a bargain.